Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one interesting online tool, and you might have already come across Rubik's Cube right from your childhood. So this is a virtual Rubik's Cube where you can, whenever you want, you can just, whenever the Rubik's Cube is not available, you can come to the site and use your mouse to move this thing, and you can play the Rubik's Cube. And it's easy to rotate, easy to move. You can see the patterns here. I can flip this like this. So this is a rotated align shuffle. I hope this is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.